Today we're checking out the stunning Wales coast path. Once we've finished England's southwest coast path, this might just be our next long distance route on our list. For now, with Elaine's mom along for the ride, we'll be testing out 3 short wheelchair friendly stretches in Aberporth, Aberaeron and Fishguard. Stay tuned to see how each path performs, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Another day and we've arrived in Aberporth. We found free parking here, which is always a bonus. And we're going to find the footpath along the coast. Part of the coastal path in Aberporth. It's tarmacked, so for those in a wheelchair or mobility scooter, this is a perfect part of the Welsh coast path that you can enjoy. And here's the path sign. I'm hoping all of this is tarmacked so Pat can enjoy some of the route as well as ourselves. Wow, it's a glorious view. So it's late September, 22nd of September, and it's glorious. What a lovely little place. That is an old train carriage. Looks as if it's been turned into accommodation. And we have ourselves another one. This one's called Wendy. So we're heading north on the coastal path. What a view to enjoy. So this is where the tarmac ends. End of inclusive access clifftop trail. The path beyond this notice becomes steep and is not suitable for wheelchairs and pushchairs. Oh well, nice while it lasted. Alright, I've left Elaine and Pat to it. And I'm continuing on just a little bit further, just to get a good view of the beach further on and the waterfall that we could see in the distance. But yeah, it's no longer suitable for wheelchairs or mobility scooters. Let's have a look. Venture on. Nice caravans on here. Where's this view? Oh wow. Here we are. I do want to get a little bit closer. Heading back to the team. Just want to show you this view on the way back. Look at that. What a glorious day. So somewhere in that direction we think we can see Barmouth. Looking at my map on the phone, you've got Barmouth, and as it stretches along Aberporth, so all of that is North Wales. We've got stunning views today. So this is a nice little stretch if you're in a wheelchair mobility scooter. Not very long though, I've got to say. Half a mile perhaps. As we're here for the week, we will be trying to find other stretches for the Welsh coastline that may be appropriate if you're in a wheelchair or mobility scooter. We've carried on driving up the north coast of Wales, and we've stopped at Aberaeron. My apologies if I've pronounced the town incorrectly. We've come to Aberaeron coast. And we're actually back on the Wales coastal path. Another nice flat stretch here. This is the main road that cuts through Aberaeron Castle Hotel. So if you're walking through Aberaeron and you're hiking south, that will be the next part of your route. So looking back up north, there's a map behind me which gives me a lot of confidence to say over there is Snowdonia and Snowdon, the highest mountain in Wales. We've walked along here this afternoon. Really pretty town. Enjoyed parking up. We have moved on. We're in Fishguard. We're doing the marine walk. Can't keep up. Fishguard derives its name from the Old Norse Fisigaro, meaning fish trap. You learn something on every vlog, don't you? Oh, pedestrians only. Motorbikes, cycles, bicycles and scooters prohibited. I'm hoping mobility scooters are allowed. That lovely looking place down there is Lower Town, which I believe is still part of Fishguard. I think we're heading down there. Right, we have been defeated by steps, so we're not going to go down to Lower Town. Patty in her mobility scooter is a little bit like a 1970s Dalek, defeated by stairs. So we're going to walk back to the car and walk the other direction. So we're heading back and we're going to see if we can make it down towards the quay. So we're going to walk along here. The last invasion of Britain. There we go. The last invasion of Britain began on the 22nd of February 1797. I don't think it was a very successful invasion by the French. The French troops soon became drunk on stolen alcohol and local people banded together to resist them. Blue door, it's locked, touched, made it to the end of the pier. There's a long town over there which we couldn't get to, defeated the Dalek. It was a long walk to here.